How to send money from PayPal to Neteller. First, open any type of browser in your PC and search for paypal.com. After that, sign into your account, then you'll redirect to this page. Now click on Pay and Get Paid at the top. And then select Money. Now click on that More Actions button and select Send or Request Money. And then enter the email address of the target account. Once done, enter the amount you would like to send along with the reason of the transaction. Now click on Next. Then a dialog box will open. Select a payment type and click on Continue. Then you will prompted to connect either your bank account or any card. Simply select the bank feature and start entering your bank credentials. Once done, you will be able to transfer money to that bank account. So that's basically how you transfer money from PayPal to Neteller. See the customer support if you need more help. Thanks for watching.